question. How I'm supposed to walk in a bank tomorrow? Y'all pick. Put the money in the motherfucking bag, bitch. I'm gonna kill you. Now. Empty the register, bitch. Give me the money. Or I'm gonna shoot your ass in the head. You don't wanna push that button, bitch. Push it.